Hi, I'm Francesca. I've been uploading on my YouTube channel since November, and my strategy has not been working. My strategy was uploading vlogs, but little did I know that wasn't gonna get me monetized. It is January 3rd, 2025. We have entered a new year. I'm going to start a new strategy. Now, this strategy is going to consist of showing you guys my analytics every week until I get monetized. To get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. It may seem like a lot, but it's not. It's achievable. It's achievable. So I need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours to become a part of the partnership YouTube program. Right now I'm currently walking to get my kids some diapers. So it's a beautiful day out. I said, why not make this video? I'm going to start a series of can I monetize my YouTube channel. So I will be uploading my strategies, what I've learned, how my channel is doing weekly, along with the content my channel is about, which is my work experiences, because I am currently working, mom life situations, and things like that. I'm going to be sharing tips. I learned that you have to be teachable and you have to be a student of YouTube University. You have to watch other creators, learn from other creators, in order to be successful in YouTube. Whatever it takes for me to grow my YouTube channel, whatever it takes for me to monetize my YouTube channel, I'm going to be sharing it with you guys in this series. So like I said, I'm going to be uploading every week 2 videos weekly. A video about my analytics and a video on what my channel is about. I'm going to be uploading those 2 videos weekly until I am monetized. Vlogging is not going to get me any views at all. It's not going to get me anywhere because no one cares. No one cares about your personal life. If you are a small YouTube creator and you're looking to get monetized as well, make sure that you subscribe. I will support as well. Now, the reason why I started my YouTube channel is because I'm a single mom. Life is hard. Life is hard. And I would love a piece of that pie. So, small creators, right now, YouTube, for whatever reason, is creating space for the small YouTube creators to get a piece of that pie. So they're pushing out small YouTubers content, and I'm one of those. So I'm here to help anyone that wants to be helped. I'm here to learn. I'm coachable, and I will share everything that I am learning every week with you guys. Now I want you guys to be a part of this journey and a part of my community. So if that's you, make sure that you subscribe. I also want to say you have to have strategy in order to get monetized and be a part of YouTube partnership program. You have to watch other creators and learn from them. You have to use your discernment. You have to learn how to make thumbnails. You have to have catching titles. You also have to grab the people's attention once they click on your video and keep them there. I will be learning. This is a long journey. This is going to be a long journey, and I'm all for it. I'm here for it. My current subscriber count is 926, and my current watch hours is 67 watch hours. So I will be putting that up on the screen for you to see. Now, as you can see, I have a little way to go, but it's obtainable. I can do it. You have to be consistently uploading at least 2 videos a week. You have to be consistent uploading 2 videos weekly. You have to have catchy phrases, and you have to grab the audience attention. So these are things that I'm going to be working on, and I will be sharing with you the apps that I use in this process. So if you are new here, please subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.